In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Airtable so you can organize your information in a clear, flexible way. Whether you're managing projects, tracking clients, or planning content, Airtable works like a spreadsheet but has the power of a database, and we'll walk through the basics together. First, open your web browser on your computer and go to airtable.com. Any modern browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox will work fine. Once the page loads, you'll see options to sign up or sign in. Go ahead and sign into your Airtable account using your existing login details. If you don't already have an account, you can quickly create one by following the prompts on the site, then sign in once you're set up. And after you've logged in, you'll land on the Airtable homepage. This is where all of your bases live. A base is like a project or workspace that holds related information. You might have one base for content planning, another for inventory, or one for personal projects. From here, you have two main options. You can open an existing base that you've already created, or you can start fresh. To create a new one, click the button labeled Create. Airtable may offer templates, which can be useful, but you can also start with a blank base if you want full control over the setup. Inside a base, everything is built around tables. Think of tables as different sections within that base. For example, in a project management base, you might have one table for tasks, another for team members, and another for resources. Each table helps you organize a specific type of information so things don't get mixed together. You can add new tables, rename them, and tailor them to what you're tracking. Within each table, you'll work with records which appear as rows. Every record represents one individual item of data. If you're tracking tasks, each row could be a single task. If you're managing contacts, each row might be one person. To add a record, scroll to the bottom of your table and click in the empty row, or use the option to add a new record. Fill in the details across the row, and Airtable will automatically save your changes as you go. Next, pay attention to fields, which you'll see as columns across the top of the table. Fields define what kind of information each record stores in that column. For example, you might have a field for a task name, a due date, a status, or a checkbox for completion. When you create or edit a field, you can choose its type, such as single line text, long text, date, number, attachment, or dropdown. Picking the right field type makes your data easier to sort, filter, and understand later. One of Airtable's strengths is the ability to switch between views. Views let you see the same data in different layouts. You might start with a grid view, which looks similar to a spreadsheet. From there, you can create a calendar view to see items by date, a Kanban view to move cards between stages, or a gallery view to highlight images or visual content. Changing views doesn't change your data, it only changes how you see it, which is very helpful when you're working with a lot of information. Finally, use the tools built into Airtable to organize, edit, and manage your data more efficiently. You can sort records to bring certain items to the top, filter to show only what you need, and group records by specific fields such as status or category. Take time to rename tables and fields clearly, and keep your views tidy by hiding columns you don't need to see all the time. As you get more comfortable, you can explore additional features like color coding, comments, and simple automations to streamline your workflow. By following these steps, you'll have a solid foundation for using Airtable to keep your information structured, searchable, and easy to work with.